yourselves for the best view of the chamber.
Yes.
And the sergeant.
2 quarts of oil and a loaf of bread.
He's the one in the middle wearing a hat. And on the phone.
Yeah.
That is all.
Yeah, look, hon, I gotta go. But yeah, we're really busy here today. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Mwah. Antenna hot. Thank you. Let me introduce myself. I am the prisoner teleportation officer, Sergeant C4703BK2704-90210. So, to start, prisoners come in 2 types, your level 1s and your level 2s. Now you people are not ready for level 2s, so we'll start with the 1s, common criminals of the cosmos. Like this hairy hoodlum over here. He's in for jaywalking between the moons and Jupiter. When perpetrators like him are caught, they are teleported here into one of these tubey things. And then they have to deal with me. Perfect! Here comes another one. Ah, Lieutenant Sludge. What have you got?
We've had a situation in Neglected Federation Bakery.
Not the donut guy again.
Yep. Got himself in the goop on all the jelly wormhole donuts.
Ah! When are you guys gonna send me some level 2s for a change?
Not today, 90210.
Teleportation in 3, 2, teleporting now.
Oh, look at you. I like your uniform. Oh, you should be ashamed of yourself, you gas bag. Well, I have no choice but to send you to your cell. And this time, with no milk. You understand? What's that?
Sergeant, we have an incoming level 3.
Level 3?
Pull yourself together, man.
I think I just wild myself.
Sergeant,
Sir.
I don't know what kind of monster they caught out there, but we'll have to move to the high-security level 3 teleportation chamber.
But it's their first day, and they're not even trained to handle level 1s yet.
Sergeant?
Sir. Yes, sir. Okay, you people gotta be. I mean, go that way. No, I mean that way.
You too, Sergeant.
Me? No, I would love to go, sir. I really would, but I can't.
Sergeant,
Sir.
I'll meet you in the high-security chamber. That's an order.
Yes, sir. But something big is on the way. Something level 3 big. Oh, dear. I think I'm going to faint.
Emergency, everyone! We have an emergency here! All guards to the high security teleportation chamber immediately!
That means you, recruits. Now move it.